So there are 4 reasons to choose the Python language. So what are these reasons? So first, language should be Python. Why? The first reason is that we can fetch any number of region for you. The first one thing, simple and elegant text. So you can see that a equals to 2, b equals to 3, sum a plus b. Here is print, which print the command. I am to say take the print out, and sum. So you can see it is simply looks like a mathematical, I am to say maths solving problem. Okay, so it is simple command. You can see it can be easily understood by any learner also. So programming Python is fun. It is easy to understand and write the code. So as I told you, it is very easy. So learner can easily understand it and do the work easily. That's why it is most popular and it should be first language for the user. The second reason, we can fetch any number of the region for you. The next one is not overly restrict. Okay, so Python no need any kind of semicolon in like C program, Java program. Okay, there are number of times we need to put the semicolon, curly braces. Okay, so here we do not need to use the such type of overhead problems. So no need to define any type of variable in Python. In Java, C++, we need to define variable also along with its data type. So here we do not require that. And also no semicolon at the end of statement. And Python enforces you to follow the good practice like proper indentation. So now student, we have to understand indentation. Indentation actually decide a block, okay, in which we are going to write the code. So every code has their block, maybe block inside block also. So the indentation. Next one reason, expressive of the languages. Okay, so you can see that Python less than 3. So here that means a simple mathematical comparison. We can understand it is really expressive. So Python allow you to write program having greater functionality with fewer lines of code. So student, less amount of the code we have to type to understand it, and it is really easy to write and understand. Next one thing, you will imagine while you are using this particular Python once you learn the basics. Okay, so basics of the particular Python is really short and easy. You can easily be mastered in a particular Python languages. Now fourth particular reason, so that tells you why you have to choose Python language, because of the community. Okay, here is great community to support in online. So Python has large supporting community to solve your problem anytime, anyway. Next one thing, how to install and run a Python. So there are 6 simple steps to install Python. So first step, you have to go to official website of Python, that is python.org, and download Python 3.6 or 3.8, whatever the update version, and then double click on that file and follow the instruction to install it. So first, when Python install, a program will open that is known as IDLE, that is integrated development environment, but it is written as IDLE. Okay, so it is also installed along with it and provide the graphical user interface to work with Python. So when you install this particular software, it is termed as IDLE, that is integrated development environment. It provides you the graphical user interface also to type the code. Okay, so graphical user interface, that means you can create the file, you can use the mouse, okay, and you can simply use cursor as like the notepad. I am to say while you are using the notepad, so same thing you have to do. So to create a file in an IDLE, go to file, new window, and or you can press Ctrl N. Okay, and then after that write a Python code and save it with Ctrl S with .py extension. So what is py extension? Every file has extension after the file name in computer. So here is .py extension, tells the computer which type of file we are saving it. Okay, so now after that we have to go to run module. Okay, and then after that shortcut is F5 button, that should be in keyboard function 5 button, and you can see the output. So student, we are going to do the practically.